I wish I could follow a strict skincare routine like all those celebrities and influencers out there. I really need to work on that. Hi everyone, I'm Sarah and welcome back to my channel. Today we're covering my go-to skincare products. But before I start, I just want to say hello and welcome to all the newcomers. Over here, we are going to be talking about fashion, styling, product reviews and shopping. So अगर आप इन सब चीज़ों में interested हैं तो मेरा channel ज़रूर subscribe करें. And if you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram where I post content related to fashion. My handle is Sarah Hassan Official. Now that we're done with the intro, let's get on to the video. Acha, to be honest, I'm not a skincare buff and this video was actually requested to me by my friends. By the way, you can also do that if you want me to cover something on my channel. Anyway, back to the point. Like I was saying that I'm not a skincare freak. I don't follow skincare routines religiously and मैं बहुत ही कम products use करती हूँ. But जो भी use करती हूँ, they work for me and I would like to share it with you. Okay, so let me give you all a little disclaimer before I start with this video. I am not a skincare expert. I will be sharing my personal views on products that work for me. They might not work for you, maybe because you have a different skin type or condition, or maybe आपके weather conditions ही different हो. First up is the Ordinary AHA BHA Peeling Solution. I think I've been using this for over a year now and every time I use it, my skin feels baby soft and looks absolutely glowing. Since ये acid है, तो be careful with how you use it because according to the instruction, it says that you are only supposed to put this on for like 10 minutes and not more than that. So please इसको 10 minutes से ज़्यादा ना रखें. Also, if you're new to acids, so first of all, your skin needs to build tolerance for it. वैसे तो it's not supposed to irritate, but if it burns, so initially put it on for like 2 minutes on your face, and with each use, slowly build your tolerance to up to 10 minutes, but not more than 10 minutes. I personally don't have sensitive skin, and my skin is pretty used to acids by now, तो मुझे कभी कोई irritation का issue नहीं रहा. अच्छा हाँ, सबसे ज़रूरी बात, प्लीज़ इसको डैम स्किन पे नहीं यूज़ करना, इसको ड्राई स्किन पे और क्लीन स्किन पे यूज़ करना है बिकॉज अगर आप इसको डैम स्किन पे यूज़ करेंगे तो फिर तो ये वाकई में बहुत ही इरिटेट करेगा. I love the look of my skin after each application. So basically इसके अंदर जो AHA है that is supposed to retexture your skin and the BHA is supposed to clean your pores, remove dead skin or sebum, and after each use मुझे ऐसा feel होता है जैसे मेरे pores ही shrink हो गए हों, and to be honest that's the best feeling ever. I use it twice a month, but you can also use it once a week if you have oily skin, just to clean your pores. It's a chemical exfoliator, so I feel like twice a month is fine because वैसे भी आपकी skin को 28 days ही लगते हैं to renew itself. ये आपको किसी भी online seller से बहुत आराम से मिल जाएगा between 2200 to 2500. The good thing is it's not expensive, so do give this a shot if you are into chemical exfoliators. Up next is Skin Republic Retinol Hydrogel Mask. I think with age I've noticed मेरी skin कुछ ज़्यादा ही जल्दी dehydrate हो जाती है and I was looking for a sheet mask जो कि अच्छी hydration दे and I stumbled upon this by accident and I put it on for like 40 minutes according to the instructions on the pack and boy was I blown away. I have to say my skin looked super hydrated and plump. And by the way, retinol is a great anti-aging ingredient. It increases the production of collagen and improves skin color. Long run में retinol आपकी skin को काफ़ी फ़ायदा देगा. It also has niacinamide in it, which protects skin from UV damage, improves skin's elasticity, and helps remove dark spots. I have used it thrice in the last 2 months, and even though it says that I should be using it twice a week for better results, despite not having followed that, I can say that it has really made my skin look better in terms of hydration. That's all I can really say about it. I cannot say that it has helped remove dark spots or anything जो कि ये claim करता है, but I can say with full confidence that after each application my skin looks super hydrated, ऐसे जैसे कि किसी ने इसको पानी पिला दिया हो, and makeup application भी अब smooth होती है और skin patchy भी नहीं लगती. One thing that I totally forgot to mention is the application. This is not easy to apply. When I applied it for the first time, I felt like it kept sliding off my face, which was very annoying. So now I make sure that I'm lying down when I'm using it. This costs for like 575 rupees and एक पैक में एक ही मास्क आता है. Yes, it's not cheap, I will say that, but I like it and I think it's worth a try. अब नेक्स्ट इज बायोडर्मा माइसेलर वाटर. आई थिंक इसको यूज़ किए हुए मुझे ओवर 2 years तो हो ही चुके हैं, इफ आई रिमेंबर करेक्टली. एंड बिफोर दिस आई वॉज यूजिंग द गार्नियर वन, जो कि मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं अच्छा लगा, सिंपली बिकॉज A, it didn't clean enough the way this does, and B, it left a residue on my face that I didn't like. This one however is good because it removes my makeup thoroughly and skin को dry out भी नहीं करता, ना ही कोई oily residue छोड़ता है, और ऐसा लगता है जैसे आपने अपना face अभी अभी धोया हो. बट एक चीज़ जो आपको याद रखनी है वो ये है कि व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग दिस, मेक श्योर टू बी जेनरस विद योर एप्लीकेशन, अदरवाइज इट वोंट वर्क. आई लाइक टू यूज़ 2 कॉटन पैड्स. एक कॉटन पैड मैं एक हाफ ऑफ द फेस के लिए यूज़ करती हूँ और दूसरा दूसरे हाफ ऑफ द फेस के लिए, टू कम्प्लीटली रिमूव माई मेकअप. विद दिस आई हैव नेवर फेल्ट कि इसने मेरे कभी पोर्स क्लॉग किए हों या इसकी वजह से मुझे कभी पिंपल्स बने हों. बट वन थिंग दैट आई डोंट लाइक अबाउट इट इज़ द फैक्ट दैट इट डजंट रिमूव माई मस्कारा completely. Like despite using generously, I still see mascara residue on my lashes. Now this could be because कि मेरी टेक्निक सही नहीं है. So let me know if you feel the same or you think I'm doing something wrong. I would love to know your thoughts. This does not come cheap, but I think it's totally worth the splurge. It is priced at rupees 1800, and overall I think that this has really worked well for me. I cannot see myself using anything else, and I totally love this. Alright, so this next product is again by Bioderma. It's a new discovery for me after my sister recommended me to try it. It's Bioderma Photoderm Max Sunscreen. The great thing about this is that it is non-cometogenic, matlab it won't clog your pores or break you out. Secondly, it's a European product. यूरोपियन सनस्क्रीन्स में UVA प्रोटेक्शन ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है. इट गिव्स बेटर कवरेज अगेंस्ट द फुल स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ UVA रेज कंपेयर टू अमेरिकन सनस्क्रीन्स. इस पर काफ़ी रिसर्च हुई हुई है एंड यू कैन गूगल दिस इज वेल. UVB प्रोटेक्शन तो मोस्टली सनस्क्रीन्स ऑफर करते हैं, बट वट यू शुड बी लुकिंग फॉर इज UVA प्रोटेक्शन, because UVA rays are responsible for making your skin age prematurely, and it also damages skin cells on a deeper level. So yeah, it's very important for a sunscreen to do both. इसमें 2 versions आते हैं, tinted and non-tinted, and I have the tinted one. I don't like that the consistency is runny. I don't think the shade is gonna match most people out there, but what I do like is that it doesn't make my skin feel greasy. I have combination skin, so it works well for me. I also feel that it's pretty lightweight and it has no smell, so for me this does the job. इससे पहले I was using Biore's UV Watery Essence and I loved it, but the problem is it has ethanol in it, which is a bad alcohol, and bad alcohols can dry your skin out like anything. Since my skin needs hydration, so obviously this was a bad idea, which is why I switched to this one. Now this one doesn't have ethanol in it, so yes, it is good for your skin in the long run. Oily skin peeps, I'm not sure if you should be using this, but if you have normal, dry or combination skin, so I think this is definitely worth checking out. It is priced at rupees 3200, and overall I really like it and I think I'm gonna keep using it. Alright, it's time to wrap up this video because I feel ये video काफ़ी लंबी हो गई है. Let me know if you think it was helpful. Also, I would love to know your go-to skincare products. Take care of yourselves. Till next time, goodbye.